Hi guys, today we'll learn how to create conversions using Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager. I'm gonna use this form, have this website, field, email address, and this little fun checkbox. So, for example, test, and ticks. After completing my form, website redirected me to thank you URL. So we're using this URL to track conversions. Next, let's go to Google Analytics and check our data display and events. So we have some pre-created events: close, convert lead, purchase, qualify lead. So I don't want to use any of these, and I don't like to use these form submit because I thinking about search section. So search, here we are having this form. So if I'll use this one, so they will be mixed. So that's why we need to create new event, generate lead, for example, make as key event because it's important for us. Key value, for example, it will be $10. Oh no, $5. Okay, per lead. So page view, URL contents, thank you. All right. Create with code, create without code. Great. Here, generate lead in key events. Check our configuration. We should fill this form. Tests, level up, and go to Google Analytics, reports, and let's have a look at real-time overview. So here is our event, generate lead. So I did the form twice, so that's why it's counted twice. We can do the same in Google Tag Manager. We should select our property, then go to triggers, new, select page view. This will be our trigger. Page path contains, let's take this URL. Thank you, submitted one, save. For example, generate lead, raw lead, whatever. And for this trigger, we need to create tag, new, Google Analytics, GA4 event. Here will be our measurement ID. It is located in data streams here, or we can use this magic button. Event name, generate lead, and triggering using our pre-generated trigger. Save, generate lead, submit, description, version name, for example, 1.0, add generate lead event. Here is our workspace changes, and let's publish it. That's it. Thanks for watching. To check your configuration, you should fill your form and go to real-time overview and see how generate lead event is increasing. That's it. Bye-bye.